So we have an FM radio station broadcasting at 98.6 megahertz. What is the wavelength of the radio waves? And then if the maximum electric field component of an electromagnetic wave is 600 volts per meter, what is the average intensity of the wave? So the first question takes us back just to wave in general. FM radio station, radio waves are of type of electromagnetic wave. So they travel at the speed of light, and we know the speed of a wave is equal to its wavelength times frequency. So the wavelength is going to be the speed of light over the frequency. We know the speed of light, 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Frequency of 98.6 megas 10 to the 6th hertz. So our wavelength ends up being 3.04 meters. So radio waves have really long wavelengths. Their frequencies are pretty small compared to the rest of the electromagnetic spectrum. For the second question, we have our maximum electric field component. In the test notes and in the book, we want the average intensity, so that's the S average term. In both the test notes and in the book, they've rewritten our S average in terms of the maximum electric field. Rather than say E max, they have E naught. So E naught represents the maximum electric field. So really it's plug and chug from here. We have 600 volts per meter for our maximum electric field. We know the speed of light. We know mu naught. So the average intensity ends up being 477 watts per meter squared. Please keep in mind when you see the equation 1 over mu naught E times B, the average intensity depends upon the RMS values of the electric field and magnetic field. That's not interchangeable with the maximum values. The S average is not equal to 1 over mu naught E max B max. Though you can write it in terms of the maximum values, because we know the RMS value of the electric field is equal to the maximum electric field over the square root of 2. And similarly for the magnetic field. So you certainly can write S average in terms of the maximum electric and magnetic field. But as the equation is written right here, it has to be RMS values.